Shop!
What are we doing this week?
This week we're unboxing this cordless Jobsite fan!
Heck yeah! So that's what we're doing.
So here we go!
This fan, I think it was regularly $179. I got it on sale at Home Depot for $99. Actually, it was on sale Home Depot for $99. They didn't have any there, so I went to Lowe's and they actually price matched Home Depot, and so we got it at Lowe's. So I feel bad about opening it with a Craftsman box cutter, but I think that's what we're gonna do. What do you want to talk about this fan? It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
It is big, yeah. I thought it was gonna be like tiny.
Okay, I'm gonna open this up. What do you think's inside here?
I hope a fan.
I hope a fan too. It says tool only, so we got a bunch of batteries. All right. Look at that guy.
That is big.
Holy
Man.
cow. Is there anything else in the box?
Instructions.
Oh, we don't need instructions. I taught him well. All right, so we open this up. And this is
Our Jobsite fan.
our Jobsite fan. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so what is, so we got the serial number is DCE512. It's a Jobsite fan. It's 20 volt max, 1.2 amps. It's basically got a fan in it, and this looks like a variable speed. So there's a rotation on it. I like this rotation. Click, 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 click. There's these two metal things in the back, and it looks like you could hook them from things, either from your truck bed, or you could hang the fan maybe from the ceiling, like upside down, from hooks on the ceiling or something, and then fan yourself from up above. I really like these hooks. Rubber pads on the back right here, so I'm assuming it can also be set down this way. Rubber pads on the feet right here. Rubber pads on the feet right here. There's also, I don't know if you can see this, but there's little screw holes for when you can hang it from the base or basically mount it to something. So that's pretty cool. What do you think about this? Any other features you want to talk about, Dom?
This thing looks cool. Let's go ahead and test it out.
So I don't know if it blows the same with a different type of battery. So what I got here is I've got a DeWalt 2, this is a 4, this is a 5, this is a 6, and this is a 9. And so we're gonna see, first of all, do they fit in here? It looks like they all do. And how does it work? So let's start with the 2. Okay, so the battery goes in, oh, it was turned on. So the battery goes in, the fan, it does have a click when you turn it off. And then the rotation here. Wow. Okay. It's a little noisier than I thought it was going to be at full power. Yeah, it's a little noisier of a fan than I thought it was going to be. At low power, it's fine. I can barely hear it at all. But that's at low power. When it gets to full power, I can feel it. There's air. Let's turn this off and see if any more blows from a 4. So now I've got the 4 in here. We're going to see if any more air blows with this 4. That sounds about the same as the 2. Let's step it up to the 5. Here's the 5. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I can hear it. There's not a huge, just in case that fan takes up this sound. There's not a huge difference between the 2 and the 4, which is crazy because look at the size of these batteries. Look at the difference of that. And the 5 is practically the same size as the 4, but there's a huge difference between the 4 and the 5. So I'm excited to see what the 6 does. It's a little bit more, but it's about what the 5 was. Let's throw the 9 in there. Okay, this feels like a lot more. I'm going to put the 2 in and then go straight to the 9, and we'll see how much of a difference there is between the 2 and the 9. All right, so here's the 2. I can feel it. So we're going to throw the 9 in here now. Maybe I don't put it in backwards. It's significantly more. So the size of the battery will affect probably not only the life and how long this blows, but also the power in which it blows out. It's not that much more between the 2 and the 9, so I wouldn't go spend whatever $400 or whatever these 9 batteries cost on getting a 9. If you don't have one already, the 6 seemed about the same, and the 5 seemed about the same as the 6 too. So I think a 5 is about the sweet spot for this particular fan.
Friday workshop, and that was the Jobsite fan.
Yeah, I like the Jobsite fan. It clearly works differently with different battery types, so try what you want. I really liked how the 5 went in it. I think it'll have a long distance for the cheapness of the price of the battery. I think the 5 might be the best battery for this, for life and everything. What do you think?
I think this thing's getting really useful because these flannels get hot during the summer.
Yeah, Idaho summers are super hot. We might get a few of these, and then we also got a boat. So check out future videos on us fixing that thing up. What else should they do?
Oh, they should like and subscribe and check out this video.
Oh yeah, or maybe this one.
Yeah.